Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Control.
Unbelievable. A-10 Warthogs. Next chapter leaves everyone speechless. For decades, the Fairchild Republic A-10, Thunderbolt 2, affectionately known as the Warthog, has been a symbol of close air support superiority. Designed during the Cold War to counter the massive armored formations of the Soviet Union, the A-10's rugged design, remarkable survivability, and devastating GAU-8 Avenger 30mm cannon cemented its legendary status among pilots and ground troops alike. However, as the United States Air Force steadily modernizes its fleet with stealth fighters and next-generation technologies, the question of the A-10's future has loomed large. Recently, after years of speculation, debates, and multiple modernization attempts, the veil has finally been lifted, revealing what lies ahead for the Warthog. The Air Force's announcement made it clear, while the A-10's days of frontline service are numbered, its legacy will not end abruptly. Instead, the transition will be measured, respectful of the aircraft's immense contribution to American air power. The plan centers around a gradual phase-out, with the Air Force introducing a combination of new platforms, tactics, and technologies to fill the critical role the A-10 has long performed. Among the first steps is the redistribution of A-10 squadrons. Some will be retired, while others will serve in reserve components, where they can still offer vital capabilities without the demands of constant deployment. At the heart of this transition is the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program and advancements in unmanned systems. These platforms are expected to redefine how close air support and battlefield dominance are achieved. Still, even as futuristic stealth drones and manned fighters prepare to assume greater roles, the enduring qualities that made the A-10 invaluable are influencing the design and doctrine of the future force. Survivability, lethality, simplicity of maintenance, and the ability to operate in contested environments remain core requirements, carried forward from lessons learned from the Warthog's decades of service. Importantly, the unveiling of the A-10's future was not only about its retirement, it was also a tribute to its incredible journey and the many innovations inspired by it. To ensure that the A-10's unique capabilities are not lost, the Air Force has been conducting extensive analysis and technology transfer programs. Engineers and military planners have studied the A-10's armor protection, redundant flight systems, and modular weapon configurations. These features have informed the designs of upcoming unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs, and future light attack aircraft.